afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Very exciting video for me, at least. Today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I decided to pick one of these up because I really enjoyed doing beta videos and stuff like that on Android and One UI last year on my Note 9 and on previous years on my Note 8. They've been very popular, so I decided to go ahead and pick one of these up this year as well to do some videos on for you guys to show you what's going to be new in Samsung software and on Android 10 on the Note 10. So I went ahead and picked up the Plus just because of the differences in screen resolution and stuff like that. I wanted to get the Plus model for the bigger screen and better resolution and all that kind of stuff. So I picked this up unlocked from Best Buy. So it's a Samsung unlocked model. Reason I did that is the beta does require an unlocked version for the Note 10. I think the other ones, it works on T-Mobile and unlocked for the S10s. Don't quote me on that. I don't remember exactly what was said for that. But here is the Note 10 Plus. We're going to go ahead and set that aside for a second and check out what's in the box. So we have a little Samsung flap here that flips up. We have the new charger for this year, which I believe is let's see, output, it's 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2.77 amps. So that's their new fast charger. They're super fast charging is what it says. I don't remember exactly what the wattage was. Right here we have your S Pen tool and your USB-C to USB-A adapter if you're transferring data from another device. And up top here we have your AKG, oops, sorry, wrong one. We have your AKG headphones. I believe these are, those are USB-C headphones now because the Note 10 Plus and the Note 10 do remove the headphone jack. So USB-C headphones, and then we have your USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Samsung has gone USB-C on both ends now to get that super fast charging, which is very nice. So that's what's in the box. Here is the Note 10 Plus right here. I got it in the Aura Black fingerprint magnet already. It still does have the plastic on it though, so we'll take that off. Another thing I got for it though is a Samsung case, just the Samsung branded protective cover. So we're going to take that out now as well, just to show you guys everything in one video. So here is the case. I like how Samsung does that blue on the inside. Take that out. It's just a hard plastic case with kind of like that matte, almost silicone material back, but it's not a silicone case. It's just got that rubberized texture on the back for the grip, which is nice. So there's the case. Here is the phone. I'm going to get the phone all set up. I'm not going to set it up in the video. There's plenty of videos, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to get everything set up, and then I will do some videos on the beta once I get everything installed. So this has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and look forward to those beta videos coming up. Have a great day.